good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. You are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is True Talk Margaret TV show. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And all my subscribers, I say thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. And my returning subscriber, I say you are welcome. Welcome to the family. Thank you. And my new subscriber, I say you are welcome. Thank you, and God bless you all for supporting your sister. Today, another breaking news don't come. Kenyan people, they go arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and give to Nigeria after they beat her, torture her, not be small beating, not be small torture. Oh my God. I don't understand. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never talk anything. I don't think he have talked anything concerning Kenya. I don't know in any way that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have friend Kenya. I don't know the reason why Kenya will go arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, torture her, beat and finish and give him to the Nigerian government. May they prosecute him. Now God. May God have mercy. You see, this life would everybody have the right to speak. Even in France. France government, they slap him. You know, say me they arrest the person who is slap. You know, say me they beat the person who is slap. You go ask the person, say, what I do when you slap me? If you call yourself you are president, the people vote you in, and when you are not doing the right thing, the people have to speak out. It's like smiling and dying. Now be Nigerian, you cannot speak. And the worst thing, the people will be say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they speak for, they fight for. Now they happy, they dance, say the dog Mazi Nnamdi, I mean the dog cash. God don't go make him die in Jesus' name. The dog cash Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now he go face judgment. Very bad. This is traitor. I don't know why we say we black we like to betray ourselves, especially people where we say the way they support us. People where they help us, now would they even they betray. Betrayal is too much. Not only this man they talk about Igbo. It's not only the Igbo. Around Africa, it's like it inside our blood. It's inside the DNA. Say black people must they betray each other. And the people will be saying want to help, they don't want to take them from the suffer what they did. Neither they will betray pass. It's like African people love suffer, they like suffer. People where they suffer, they love pass. As far as you give them small thing, you give them small chichimi they eat, they will betray the person when they fight for them. What would they make Africa? Make we stop to betray people when they fight for us. A lot of strong African men who stand to try to bring Africa to be a very good country that all of us will enjoy. We know they suffer around Obodo go around the world. Those people now they kill, they will betray the people who don't kill them. Suffer breaking. And so this Igbo man they talk, it a verse. Say why Igbo people they happy say they don't catch him Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say they never the news never go around. Now Igbo they happy. So this guy the verse where will not be small verse. If the verse say why they go betray, why Igbo people go they happy. My brother, me not the verse, not only Igbo. We will they disobodo Igbo, they betray each other. So I beg, make England fight for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, make the release her. The man not be criminal now. If the people be say they Buhari boo go they go they pursue. You know they arrest all those ones. You know they go they pay money like what they hear from you say they pay Kenya big money to arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and bring it to Nigeria. So we hear what this Igbo guy they talk concerning their people. Say Igbo they betray each other, and really it's not only Igbo. So guys, watch. See you on my next video. Thank you. Please pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for good health and for release. Pray for him because the man is fighting for freedom of Biafrans. You understand? And not if we cannot even join the Delta Benin cannot join Biafra, at least he's fighting for everybody to every country to separate and have their country and so that we can have a good country and our children will stay back home, not suffering around and depression and so. So guys, see you on my next video. Please, we should pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Bye guys.
Igbo people now the worst tribe on this earth. You see Igbo people. Now the worst ungrateful human being on this earth, na Igbo people. Igbo. Now the worst people on this earth. If you do something with Igbo people, you have to be very careful. If Igbo man can say his own brother, who are you? He will not say. If Igbo man can kill his own brother, who are you? He will not kill. You hear say they arrest Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or they arrest him, you never confirm. A lot of Igbo people, they celebrate, say they arrest Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They celebrate them. God will punish all of you. If you try to dare me, God will punish you. Fulani herdsmen, where they keep people since. You never talk about Fulani herdsmen. Wetin Mazen Nnamdi Kanu do you? Wetin he do? We pass wetin Fulani herdsmen dey do. So Mazen Nnamdi Kanu na nini? Where all of una dey celebrate Igbo people. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, if they offer am money, make he collect it. If they offer am money for that place, anything where they offer am, may he collect it, because Igbo people no ungrateful people. These people no value anything. They don't want make person dey good. They don't want to hear truth for this life. If they offer am money for that place, may he collect am. Because now what Igbo people want. If Fulani herdsmen, they want kill everybody for East, may they kill. He go concern you, he go concern me. If they want take the whole East, may they take am, so that all of una go rest. You hear say they arrest person, una don't they celebrate, say they arrest am. What you do? We be say if they happen every day, una never condemn am. If they offer am money for that place, may take am. May take am. Igbo people now, very ungrateful human being on this earth. I never see tribe where they like Igbo. I never see this life. Tribe where they like Igbo people for this world where I don't come. I don't go many places. I never see people like Igbo people. Ungrateful human being in this life. Make today now my last time while they talk about anything Biafra again for this Facebook. Now my last time, Igbo people know they are ungrateful human being. Person where they suffer for una, person where they at least they defend una, they at least they expose the government. Una want may die. Even if Mazen Nnamdi Kanu die today, Biafra never die. Now what you I want me una know. If Mazen Nnamdi Kanu die today, Biafra never die. Ojukwu we fight for Biafra, he never die. Biafra still there. Why Biafra no die as Ojukwu die? If una anything we una like, we una plan. But I show you say, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu no go die. If they truly arrest Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, you go see the outcome. Now what I want to know, you people, to una own off.
Can do about it. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. I need them to understand this. We've crossed the Rubicon, the point of no return. There is nothing anybody can do. If I'm alive, if I'm dead, if I'm wherever I may be, Biafra will come. If I'm dead, it's even better because it will come far more quicker.